Hello mama and welcome. In this short guide, you'll learn how to use a manual breast pump step by step. Whether you're pumping to store milk, relieve fullness, or support your milk supply, this will help you feel confident and prepared. Before we begin, let's quickly look at the parts of a manual breast pump. Most manual pumps include a soft silicone flange that sits on the breast. There's the pump body that connects everything together. A pumping handle that creates suction. A diaphragm and valve system that controls airflow. And finally, a milk collection bottle where the milk flows and is stored. Now, here are the materials you need: a clean manual breast pump, a storage bottle or container, breast pads if needed, and access to warm water and mild soap for cleaning afterward. Before pumping, wash your hands thoroughly. Sit somewhere comfortable and relaxed. A warm towel or a gentle 1 to 2 minute breast massage can help trigger letdown and encourage milk flow. Now let's begin pumping. Place the flange on your breast with the nipple centered inside. Make sure it feels comfortable and that no air is leaking around the edges. Start with gentle, short squeezes on the pump handle.